is my new video on my Crompton Brisk high speed exhaust fan in my bathroom. See, you can see it. The blades are small sized. I have not fixed it. The screws are removed. I will remove it and show it to you. See, this is the grill. I have removed this flap. The flaps are removed because the grill is there and they obstruct and they do not open. This leads to bad smell in the bathroom. These are the blades. You can just see it. It's very good. Capacitor. One, two, three, and fourth. Four blades are attached here. Let's see how they are attached. See, these are the pins in which they are attached. This is the frame in which they go and struck. This is the circuit all. This is the main motor. These are the blades. It is very difficult to open the blades. Remove this one cover. Just see it. There is no logo inside. It's very good. Guys, I have fixed it back here on its place. These are, I don't need it now because the grill is obstructing it. I will keep them at the side. This is very high speed. It has a lot of speed and all. Just I will show you. It's working. I will just join the wires. See, I have joined the circuit. I have completely fixed it inside window. It is not coming out. See, the circuit is completed. Now I switch on the switch. Just a moment. Again system. So guys, please subscribe, like the video, and please comment in the comment section how did you like it. Thank you, and thank you for watching.